Hello, good morning. We are at the set of Pitmaster. What are we going to do today?
Who are you?
I'm Jim, I'm taking over the vlog today.
Oh, that's funny. I'm Morrison. I'm taking over Roel today.
And so I'm taking over you and you're taking over Rule.
It's kind of weird, right?
You overruled the rule.
We overruled it, and I've got a brisket right here.
Ooh,
It's still in the package. And I'm gonna make something delicious out
that
of it.
looks good. Is it the first or the second brisket? Oh yeah, this whole thing has to be put into the wall.
Yeah. So we have to figure out if we can do it in between, but we have a brisket on, so that's quite easy.
We have time.
Yeah, we have time.
But the dog won't help us today.
Yeah, well, I'll try to put it in her mouth, but she just she doesn't know what to do with it. It's not a dog like a normal dog. You would throw a stick and they will go after it. Eva, not so much.
The stick is too big. Say hi to the audience.
She's not driving stick.
No. We are going to make something delicious. And see you in a bit.
We unpacked it. Look at how beautiful it looks, man. Look at the grains right here. That's beautiful. Beautiful looking, but it needs some work. And yeah, I'm going to take a second crack at trimming right now. I watched a lot of videos and I think that I took way too many. I took way too much off. What people told me is that you don't have to take away the complete fat cap. So I'm going to try to reduce it to 50% of it and then put the rub on. And for the rub I'm doing just a classic rub, just salt and pepper.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah, you like that, don't you?
Yep, I like the classic stuff. How close can I get before I lose my arm?
Just try.
No. Oh, she growls. Okay. Well, we have to continue because she looks angry at me now.
I'm just figuring out what my war strategy is on the chicken.
What happened just yet?
I'm not gonna tell you.
No?
We kind of were blown away by the barbecue. I had the back burner on, I smelled gas, still I pushed this button and
It's not the smartest thing, but
no.
okay.
But we're still okay.
Yeah.
I'm just figuring out what the best way is to grill this chicken. I have a couple of options. I have the option of the back burner. Also I have the option of put the far right and the far left burner on.
I think we should go for far left, far right. Because back burner's gonna scorch the skin.
Yeah, true. But I do want to have a crust, so I have to combine these things somehow.
I'm sure Morrison will figure this out. Want to do it on the sizzle zone?
No.
Oh. We're gonna sizzle zone a bark on chicken.
I got some chicken! But also, we're doing some hard work right here.
Yeah.
Well, actually, you're doing it.
Well, we're doing it both, but yeah, we have to fill up these cabinets with all the wood that we need for the winter.
That's a lot of wood. Winter is coming. It's getting colder and colder outside, and
This is like Mikado,
yeah.
right?
Don't pull it. No! Oh!
So we're almost ready with today's barbecue session.
Yeah.
But
I know why you grabbed the camera, so let's just get over it.
yeah, okay. It was a bit of a thing with
The curcuma. There's apparently, I totally forgot, there's curcuma in well almost everything of the chicken. The thing that I do is like I rub my hands, you know, when I sit on the toilet I probably did something like this, but I have I had kind of the idea that my hands were pretty clean, but as you can see they're a little bit yellowish. And now
the jeans too.
Now everything is yellowish.
Because we have a lot of nice curcuma things.
And the chicken.
And the chicken.
And the chicken. Sneak peek chicken. Sneak peek chicken.
Very fast. Okay, go.
How was that chicken?
That chicken was amazing. Yeah, that was really, really good. We have a brisket here now. So we filled up and now we're going for round 2. It's been a long day and we're pretty full too.
Yeah.
So
chicken and a brisket. That was quite
a lot. Yeah. So we're packing up our things and get ready for next rounds.
And you should get ready for Roel.
Get ready for Roel.
Hey! Hope you're had fun with Morrison on Tuesday. It was fun, right?
It was fun.
Brisket, chicken, lots of fun. I wasn't there. Like, was it good?
What?
Yeah, I wasn't there, so I don't know anything about what happened Tuesday.
Ask them.
Let me know. How did it turn out? I know there was chicken and there was brisket, but how did it turn out? How did it go down? Like, I should watch the episode myself. It's like I already want to see it right now. Something's beeping. Not great. But look at this beautiful transformation. We got a little bit of Christmas. We got the tree, and we put the. You can't see it, but I put the lights in. Ooh. And I put the deer up there. So the fox got company now. And I currently have some birch wood. So we got a delivery, and I wanted beech, but we got the wrong stuff. This is birch. This stuff burns super hot, super fast, and then dies down really fast. So it's not exactly what I wanted, but hey, I'm burning a lot of wood here, so I'm not that worried about it. This is great for fireplaces. Maybe you should film your own face instead of me. I have a confession to make, Marcel.
What?
I bought a pre-built desktop PC for editing.
Because you edited one time?
No.
Okay. Because that's... Why?
The funny thing is, Morris and I always have a discussion about PCs and laptops.
Yeah. Because you said that laptops are amazing, right? Yeah.
And they are.
Yeah.
They are amazing.
Yeah.
And mine was fine
Yeah.
until
Yeah.
you started using these amazing files.
What? MOF.
Your amazing camera
Yeah. So,
of 100 megabytes per second.
yeah.
So my laptop was doing fine. And then Morrison improved the video quality, which is great for you, but not great for my laptop.
No.
Because it was laggy as...
Wait. But it shouldn't be a problem, right? You said it shouldn't be a problem. Laptops can do everything.
Yeah, I know what I said.
Yeah.
But this is my... Alright, you were right. On record,
Yeah.
Morrison, for the whole world, Morrison was right. Come in with the hate. I bought a pre-built PC. And I know this, like, for all the PC gamers, PC builders out there, this is like a big no-no.
Yeah.
And I bought a pre-built one.
But it's built. That's the difference already.
And for me, that's really good.
Yeah.
Because if I need to build this myself, I don't have the time at the moment to build this.
I bought a pre-built.
You bought a pre-built? No, you had a friend build it for you.
No. I had a friend that selected the things that I wanted, and the company that I ordered on, they built it. So what's pre-built?
But that's not an official pre-built.
There's nothing wrong. They're not gonna make it worse on purpose. There's nothing wrong with pre-built.
Yeah. They're saving money because I calculated. So for everybody wants to know now what I bought.
Yeah.
Can we do like a quick unboxing?
We need to do a video first. Then the unboxing. You'll be alright.
Can we have a quick look? No?
No. First cooking, then the presents.
People they want to know.
Yeah.
Morsa, I think
Yeah.
you're gonna be in trouble at some point.
I just gave her a bread. She's
You-
gonna be alright.
But
I got you one.
If I didn't tell you to do it,
Yeah, then yeah.
she gave you the evil eye. She's being like the angry mama.
Yeah, I got bit.
You're gonna, in the end, there's gonna be a point where she says enough is enough. I got plenty of her butter. I got the freezer stacked with her butter. I never just make 1 kilogram of her butter. Of Stambadoo. It's getting nice and hot. Look at that thing. That's one hot Stambadoo. And then we got some bacon. Wagyu fat. Look at that. And compound butter. This is gonna be so good. But we're already eating everything. And we haven't made the video yet. We should make the video first. Just finished the flambadoo video and setting up for the next video. Use that trusty old grill again. She's such a beauty, and I've been playing in the background. Did you guys notice this? I put these lights here, like magnetic lights, right there, and they illuminate the background a little bit. I think it's the nicest touch. You almost can't see it, but you kind of see it, and it makes it like, I don't know, like a little warm feeling. I think it looks kind of cool. I think it looks awesome. But we did what Morrison wanted to do. We finished the cooking of the first video, and it's already getting sunset, man. Look at that sunset. But that's also the reason why I hate this time of year. Like, it's just a couple hours of daylight, and it's already gone. Let me find Morrison. Morrison! There you are. Millennial playing with his phone again.
No, I'm checking.
Dude, checking.
The TikTok. And we're doing pretty good. Everybody likes us up TikTok.
But nobody cares about that.
Are you on TikTok? I'm asking them.
Are you on TikTok? You gotta show them now.
Yeah.
We finished everything you told us we needed to do.
Yeah.
And now we gotta go.
I already forgot.
How in the freak name can you forget something like that?
Do you have a knife
No?
for opening?
No? You think we're gonna need one?
I don't know.
This is something they sell to office people, right?
Yeah.
Office people don't have knives, they have letter openers. Should I unbox it, maybe?
No?
Oh.
Yeah? Yeah.
But maybe I'm more excited about this than you are.
Yeah.
But you can use it too, if you want to.
Oh, nice.
You think it's gonna be better than yours?
No. It depends on the price.
I'll let you guess the price when you see the specs, alright? But remember, it's a Black Friday deal, so don't get tricked now. It's like in a plastic bag. This is just weird. What if the handle breaks? Alright, one more try. If computer nerds can do it, then so can a Pitmaster. Look at that.
It's pretty nice looking.
This has an Intel i9.
I don't know what that means.
You don't know what that is? There's no spec sheet anywhere. This is an i9 core processor.
No, I don't have that. No,
It
because
has the NVIDIA
Yeah.
380.
yeah, I don't have that.
And
I don't have that. I have a 1070. It's really old now.
Oh, that's an old one. How much did it cost, Morrison?
€1,000.
So how much would you want to pay for this?
How much? 1,500, but I think it's 1,000.
It's 1,000?
Yeah.
This is now I kind of feel weird. It cost 2,400 euros.
Mine wasn't even that expensive when I bought it. Well, mine was around the same price, but with monitor.
It's a thing, it's a box with a button and you press it and then you can edit videos on it.
Yeah.
That's what it does.
Yeah.
And then, when you're done, you can go back outside and start grilling again. And that's what's important, and that's what we're going to do right now. Alright, one last thing to do.
Is the screen connected? I want to see, you got started off completely.
No, I didn't connect the screen.
This is now the main computer.
This is the computer in the office. So if you're going to use a computer in the office, that's probably going to be the one. There you go.
There you go.
Now you're not hungry anymore. Who ate all the wagyu? The dog did. The dog ate all the scraps. Next up, wagyu picanha. That thing looks so sexy. This is gonna be my Christmas dinner recipe. I want this for my Christmas dinner. Like, it's always a thing with me. And the closer I get to Christmas, I come up with different ideas. So this is like the first Christmas idea that I have. And probably I'm gonna change it up. At least, do you have that? It's like every time you think, well, I'm gonna make this, no, I'm gonna make that, and then the whole idea evolves to like something crazy, and then eventually you're locked into like some 8-course dinner, which is like a lot of work, and you're in the kitchen all day. That's what happens with me. But this is the first version of my Christmas dinner. I share it with my family. Plenty to go around. Plenty left the next day for me to put on my sandwich, which is important. Because like normally you would have like a leftover turkey. Now you can have the leftover picanha. That would be my dreamy thing. This is like my ultimate skill, boiling water.
Okay, okay.
If I would be a real chef in real life,
Yeah.
I would be the guy standing next to the pot of water, waiting to it cook. Imagine getting paid to stand next to a pot of water while you watch it
So,
cook.
so it has nothing to do with that.
No.
Without,
Don't call me a cowclown.
I'm gonna look in the barbecue.
Don't show him. It's magic. You see, that's Morrison cheating. So you get a beautiful video with all these special effects, and you think it's the Pitmaster. He's doing something amazing. It's not really me. It's Morrison playing around with lights. You're playing around with your light. This is what we do all day. All day. If you think Morrison and I are a little bit weird in our sense of humor, this is why. We play around with our meat all day. But seriously, in all seriousness, this picanha is gonna be top of the bill. Be so tasty. I just finished cooking the second plate of the day, the second recording, but I just have to share this with you. Normally we don't do this in the vlog, but come on. Look at that. How beautiful does that look? I'm kind of proud of myself. Like, we're getting to the Christmas vibe, and I'm trying to like make nice plates so you can make it too, and then share it with friends and family. And I think this is one for the books. This is one that you might want to check out. This is, I would definitely recommend redoing this. You ready for the taste test?
Really, really ready.
All right. Well, dude, none of mine. The Pitmaster made it perfect, and you're just messing it up. It's like my children putting ketchup on everything.
No.